Well. Look what do we have here. A potato. And today I'm gonna install Windows 11 on this thing. Because why not? Okay, first let's connect it to the power. Okay, now it's in the electricity. And now the DisplayPort cable on the USB-C adapter, because well, the port is too small on this. Yes, brother. Okay, now it's in. Okay, now I'm gonna connect something else. And the last thing, the USB adapter for my keyboard and mouse. Okay. This. Yep, everything is in and it's ready to go. Okay, let's go to the Windows 11 installation now. Okay, turn on. F12. And the reason why it says ThinkPad is because, well, it's ThinkPad branded. Okay, SanDisk. And boot to USB. This potato is so old, so it still has legacy BIOS. ThinkPad potato, this is so tough. Okay, yeah. I'll leave everything on English. Except this. You have to change it. Just wait a second. Okay, Slovenian. Install. Okay, now I don't have it. Home. Okay, next. Yeah, accept. Okay, yes. How much should I install it to? 32 gigabytes. Okay, now I have to find the right partition. This one is unallocated. Okay, this one. Okay, now it's doing things it has to. Okay, so time-lapse time, I guess. Okay, now my potato is restarting. So here it is. My potato. Okay, ThinkPad. What? Okay, my mouse does this. RTPCAIO E009. Oh yes, so good screen. It was booting into the USB, although I said no. Maybe the mouse said yes. Okay, let's boot into the SSD as I want. Okay, ThinkPad. Okay, ThinkPad again. Sometimes it does this. Windows 11. Okay, it's booting in. Volume 4 maybe. Okay. Yeah, this is the right one. Because, well, you can see the loading is big and it's more stretched. So this is the right one. Now time lapse again. Okay, it's ready now. Okay, yes, Slovenia. Let's connect in the mouse.
To set up your device using a screen reader,
Shut up!
by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Shut up. Okay, good boy. Slovenia. Yes. No, it's not Slovenian. Because well, my flashy keyboard is Slovenian. Yes, keep the layout. Oh my god. No, I don't. Okay. Yes, continue. Let's make it like... Let's adjust the camera. Now the name. Potato. No password. Okay, now. No. Required. No. No. Just hi. Yes, hi, Microsoft Spy Tool. I mean Windows. Yes, I'm on a desktop. Okay, have to install drivers now. Because I just have to. And let's see the specs of this. Core i7 M640. So this is the Core i7 first gen. Okay, yes. Then I need to Potato PC. Or just Potato. Okay, restart later. But it's a potato. Literally potato. Yes. Okay, now I have to install drivers for this. Okay, why is this there? Okay. Okay, is it actually without drivers or does it have them? Because it's pretty smooth for no drivers. Display. No. Also no. Okay, maybe yes, this. Graphics. Okay, yes, it's standard. Let's see some other information. Okay. Like it's just this. Okay, let's do something now. There. Okay, now I can't aspect control. I think it's only for VGI or something. Oh, no. Okay, I can't aspect control. Available. Okay, they are available. But, you know, it's Windows 11 on a potato. Okay, why am I doing allow? Okay, yes. Okay, yep. This is Windows 11 on a literal potato. You can see it's a potato, ThinkPad potato to be exact. Okay, now I have some explaining to do. This potato is not a PC potato. I now show you. Now I'll show you behind the scenes how I did this. This is now behind the scenes. This is the ThinkPad, and this is also the reason of the ThinkPad branding. Oh, I have to turn this on because of some settings. But this ThinkPad is the reason for the branding, ThinkPad. Yes. This is hooked up to the ThinkPad, and this potato is not hooked to anything, actually, not anything. It's either malfunctioning cables or some cables I don't care about. But it wasn't even plugged into anything. It's just a normal potato with holes now. And about the keyboard and the mouse, oh my god. It was all connected to the ThinkPad, so this was the machine I was installing on and doing everything on. Was the ThinkPad, not the potato. But you know, April Fools, so I had to do this. Okay, now I'm gonna end the video. Bye.